Hi Gearshifters, welcome back. I am riding today, and as you can see, there are some dark clouds that are up above, and I am going to try to get around them, but I know that I will be getting wet today. So this video is about how to ride in the rain. As you can see, I have a few more miles of sunshine, but pretty soon I'm going to be getting wet. So the first thing that I need to do is make sure that I have on the right gear. So the suit that I'm wearing today is actually made out of Gore-Tex, so I don't have to pull over and put on separate rain gear, but I do have some if I happen to be wearing riding jeans or some porous outfit like a mesh suit. I also wear waterproof gloves, and I have a pen lock in my full face helmet. Full face helmet keeps the rain off my face and out of my eyes. The second thing that I do is slow down. You really need to be looking farther ahead and making sure that you're giving yourself enough time to stop and slow down. And as the rain continues to fall, just maintain your speed. It's very important to make sure that you are riding as smooth as possible. Shifting gears should be done as smoothly as possible. Braking should be done as smoothly as possible. So I just give myself more time to do all of these things. I don't let the rain stop me from riding. I love riding my motorcycle, and I try to do it every day. And I live up in the mountains where weather is unpredictable. So you see, I ride in and out of rain constantly, but as long as I'm wearing the right gear and I am in control of my motorcycle, I feel very comfortable doing it. I wasn't always comfortable riding in the rain. I can still remember the fear that I felt the first time that I encountered rain on an interstate and my glasses fogged up. I was terrified, but I just committed to spending more time learning and practicing and improving my skills to where I wouldn't have to pull over every time it rained. I do find myself pulling over from time to time if the rain gets too heavy. It's also important to make sure that whenever you go out on your motorcycle, your tires are inflated to the correct pressure and they have enough tread on them. Don't go out in the rain on bald tires. Don't go out on your motorcycle on bald tires. You're just asking for trouble. But if your bike's in good condition, you're wearing the right gear, and you slow down and you're able to see, there's no reason that the rain needs to stop you from enjoying riding your motorcycle. My name is Jordan. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.